Replacing the radiator valve. Take measurements with a laser level. Use the pipe cutter to cut the copper pipe. Then, adjust the pipe for insertion using the tap wrench. Now, try inserting the fitting. If it's in the right position, solder the joints. Clean it with a napkin or rag, and lightly smooth the surface with sandpaper. Finally, install the valve and test its operation.